Tapi aku rasa kan mesti ada plot twist dia. Abang ni mesti hidup. Mungkin lah. Mungkin. Embat dulu. Okay. Tunggu ni. Okay. Santai.
A bow of this quality? Come. What's the harm in looking?
Ni macam pula.
You are the one who kicked Saito's thugs out of the inn. You are the Onryo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Too bad, though. I made a bow just for the Onryo. The best of its kind.
Maybe I could give it a look.
That's the spirit.
Dia
Then
scammer je
you can call
perempuan
me
ni.
Lan.
Oh memang baik dia. Okay. Okay. Yumi atau Hanyu. Masalahnya aku ada 200 je kat dalam poket weh. Diorang ni pun bagilah 100 lebih. Masalahnya.
You know, I considered joining Saito. Thought it might be good business.
Why didn't you?
He started forcing artisans and weaponsmiths to work for him. No coin, no pay.
Oh.
So make sure to hit him where it hurts.
Kedekut Mat. Jadi Lord pun kedekut ke?
A moment, stranger.
Apa pula ni?
Ban Matsumai has received reports of a disturbance at this inn.
I took care of it.
We have been entrusted with stopping Lord Saito and his outlaws.
Then why weren't you here?
You should watch your tone, Wanderer.
Akan rasuah tu.
And, lady, perhaps we can all agree it is a fine thing this establishment is free of Lord Saito's dogs.
Perhaps we can. I need a drink.
Ni, kau dah makan rasuah.
I've got a business proposal for you.
Okay.
Name's Kojiro.
Macam tu?
I'm in the business of bringing people together at the edge of a raid. Whether it be Clan Matsumae or Yotei 6, I make sure their bounties reach the right hunters.
A bounty broker working all sides. That's a dangerous game.
Not as dangerous as that vengeful Onryo everyone's talking about.
If you believe that sort of thing.
The Yotei 6 certainly seem to. So how about it? You get the bounties, we both get the coin.
A generous offer.
I knew you'd see it that way.
Oh, dia ni untung kata angin pula. Cek.
Bring me a bounty, then you'll earn that coin.
Banyak aku nak cuci episode ke nak layan dulu.
Everyone wants maps. The Shogun wants them. The merchants?
Those tools. Are you an artist?
Oh, no. These are map-making tools. Ezo is a mystery to the mainland. The Shogun would like to see that change.
Mapping out Ezo for war, is he?
I am just the cartographer who spilled tea on the wrong lord and ended up being sent here. To the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere has changed since I was here last. Maps would help.
These are for the Shogun. But you and your sword look like you obviously have more use for them.
Okay.
Please, pick any map. I will make you copies for a very small fee. And we can be friends who don't kill each other. Yes?
You have yourself a deal.
Okay, oh. Oh, dia ada map. Okay, kita tengok. Okay. Give all waterfall tail up to overlook Atelier. Aku tak tahu tempat apa ni weh. Aku baca pun tak betul masalah dia ni. Okay. 50 yen. Nak ambil apa ah? Aku tak ada apa mission lagi tau. Ambil dah dulu satu kan. Oh, dua ni dah.
Can't say no, can I? Before you go, you look like a very capable...
What's the job?
There is this monk, Geisho. He has been helping me mark spiritual sites on my maps. A villager told him of one nearby. He went to confirm its location. He has not returned.
Point me in the right direction.
See the smoke?
I see it.
That is his camp. But it's been hours. He is the only friend I have in these parts.
I'm sure it's fine. I'll go check on him when I can.
Thank you.
Okay, aku rasa elok kita ambil ni lah. Bounty sikit. Kita berduit walaupun dapat separuh kan. Ni ya, betul ke kita? Kita takut orang lain kan? Sekejap. Okay, cun. Dah ambil 3 bounty, settle. Ni kita nak pergi buat first mission request ke atau kita nak pergi ke goal mission? Okay. Oh, kita boleh select macam ni. Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. Jadi kita pergi ke go dulu. Kita belajar duel katana dulu. Lepas tu baru kita pergi next mission. Baru kita pergi apa tu? Baru kita pergi cari orang. Okay, let's go.
Come on, boy.
Weh, aku sikit tak boleh belah. Dia punya kau tengok lah, dia punya besar macam mana weh. Macam aku kalau buat macam ni, aku macam main Elden Ring tu. Kalau dorang kat atas sikit.
You'll cut the head off.
Okay, silap. Okay. Kau. Okay, cantik. Apa ni? Lah. Yang muka aku lah. Yang hantar lah tu. Oh, cantik duit. Boleh aku beli panah. Nanti kita pergi duel katana dulu baru beli panah. Okay. Spider lily.
Saito's men. Get on with it!
Men to Hanbei's traps.
Why not just leave the old
I'll enjoy this.
Okay. Dia belagak ni. Belagak ni. Pasti kau. Belagak dah aku. Kau pula. Ambil. Woi.
Lord Saito will be pleased I
Pegau. Woi. Ini masa pula ada penombak sini. Ini kemandaian lawan ni. Mati. Mati pun. Boleh mau. Penombak dia lengkap perisai siut. Mana adil? Patut level 1 biar penombak pun tak berperisai. Ini ke? Oh, dah ni lah.
If Hanbei is still alive, I should convince him to teach me his dual katana.
Weh.
Walked right into that one.
Macam tak ada function je aku pergi. Aku dah lelak tepi. Sekejap, ni lagi ke? Ya, ni lagi, come on. Sekejap. Cuba saja. Oh, tidak, jatuh. Oh, weh, sekejap aku perasan lah. Kita dah ada cangkuk.
A hidden trail. Traps. Hanbei doesn't want to be found.
Kita dah ada cangkuk lah dari awal.
You again. I must be on the right path.
Dia dah cangkuk di awal lah. Macam Ghost of Tsushima tu dah. Aku rasa pertengahan cerita baru ada cangkuk. Oh, kita taklah tu naik ke gunung tu. Aku ingat kita kena hiking macam Demon Slayer punya style tu, betul tak? Boleh lah, kira hiking juga ni.
Te is the heart of Aesop. That's what father used to say.
Dah sampai atas. The way of dual katana. Okay, jom. So cerita dia. Mount Titria. Tak, aku ingatkan kita macam nak kena macam, kau tahu Demon Slayer kan? Demon Slayer yang kau kena berlari naik atas gunung macam tu tau. Tapi tak apalah. Ni okey lah. Not my expectation. Bagi besar juga. Walaupun kau tengok lah, ini jalan ni besar, kau tahu tak? Dia tak macam Ghost of Tsushima jalan kecil-kecil. Mana aku nak pergi ni? Ngata lagi. Bapak lah. Betul-betul tak nak jumpa ni. Tak jumpa orang sekejap. Spider-Man! Yes! Okay, cantik.
I don't see an easy way down. Wonder how long Hanbei's been up here.
Entahlah, mungkin orang tua tu dah mati ke ah. Kalau begini gaya dia. Kalau begini guys, lagi orang tu tak ada kebun kat atas ni, tak tahulah macam mana boleh hidup. Terberang ke? Ah, sudah. Ada. Weh, kena terberang weh. Naik atas ni. Tak. Terberang je. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeay. Ah, samai.
This climb alone would put off most bounty hunters.
Dia ni ada berkawan dengan ni ke? Okay. Ya, boleh masak Oh, boleh masak. Cun. Kita ada ikan dengan apa tu? Kita boleh masak guys. Kita boleh masak dalam game ni. Okay. Okay, jap. Masuk pangkap lagi. Ya Allah. Ni dua kali. Ni aku tak pasal. Memang tak pasal. Ada depan lagi ni. Yap.
A small homestead. That must be where Hanbei is hiding out.
Hanbei Mana aku nak lompat ni? Oh ni ha. Okay, naik. Wih. Nak turun dah satu hal, nak naik satu hal. Apa ni? Oh, apa tu? Steel. Oh. Dia upgrade ke macam tu. Atas ni kamu betul naik atas ni. Lagi. Okay, lagi. Cantik. Angkut pula. Kan betul ada kebun atas ni?